Welcome to another episode in the series of short films highlighting new functions and application software in the Easy-Laser E-Series alignment system. My name is Mikael Terner and I'm an area sales manager at Damalini, manufacturers of Easy-Laser. Today we're going to talk about bore alignment. In bore alignment, we measure straightness of bore in, for example, a diesel engine, compressor, gearbox, propeller shaft driveline, stern tube, or support bearings. The basic principle for straightness measurement is that all values will show the position of the detector unit relative to the laser beam. The laser beam is roughly aligned along the measurement object. The detector is then positioned on the selected measuring points and the values are registered. According to the measurement, two of the measuring points are set to 0 and the other points are recalculated for this reference line. There are several different detectors, laser transmitters, and brackets that can be used in different scenarios depending on application. In this demo, I'm going to use a D75 laser transmitter, an E7 detector mounted on a slide bracket, and an E-Series display unit. First, I have to align the laser beam along the measurement. I do this through adjustment of the tilt table while looking at the target on the detector placed in the bearing journal the farthest away. Then, using the offset screws, we adjust the offset of the laser transmitter close to the laser. Once the laser beam has been aligned, I enter the straightness program. In this case, I have full access to the bearing journal and will therefore measure multi-point mode. I will set up the measurement dimensions, in this case 4 bearing journals spaced 290 millimeters apart. The first set of measurements are taken in the journal closest to the transmitter. In this case, I will take a total of 5 measurement points. The procedure is then repeated until all 4 bearing journals have been measured. Once all bearing journals have been measured, we can go into result screen. I will set the first and the last bearing journal as reference. The system also has tools to analyze the result such as tolerance settings, best fit, 3D graph, waviness, etc. Once the measurement is done, you may save it to a PDF report. As I mentioned earlier, the Easy-Laser bore alignment system comes in many different models, all tailored to your application. If you want more information, please visit our website, damalini.com, or send an email to info@damalini.se. Thank you for watching.